Same exercise, question number 13, I have taken the perimeter of the floor is given to you for of a rectangle or is given to 300 meter, and the height is given to you. So you need to find out, the four wall surface area first, then rate is given to you. You need to find out the cost of painting four walls. That's very simple. I have said to you earlier also that if surface area of the four wall will be 2 into LB, in L plus B into height. So perimeter of a rectangle plus into height, that is what I have said to. So perimeter of a rectangle given to 300, height is given to 6 meter. Therefore the area of the full wall will be 2 into LB into H is the formula, square unit, that much 300 into 6 meter square. It became 1800 meter square. If you are ignoring all the doors, windows, it will be total area. Actually this will be total area, leaving all the ventilation point, window, door, everything. Could you understand? So 800 meters square, 1800 meters square. Rate is rupees 60 per meter square. So total cost of painting will be rupees 60 into 1800, which is equal to 1,08,000. Could you understand me? Moving on to question number 17. Question number 17 said to you, find the carved surface area and the total surface area of a cylinder if the volume is given to you and the height is given to you. I have taken question number 2. Volume is given to you 1078, and radius is given to you 17. Second one I have done it, and height is given to you. This is radius of the base is given to you 7 centimeter. The height is given to you 7 centimeter. Therefore volume is volume. Then you know the formula. Formula is what? What you need to find out? The carved surface area. Carved surface area formula is what? 2 pi RH. So 2 pi r, first volume of the cylinder is given to you. Volume of a cylinder is pi r square h, you know that. So pi r square h is equal to 1078 centimeter cube. So r will be 7 centimeter. If you solve it, 22 pi value is 22 by 7. R is 7 centimeter already given to you. Therefore say 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 into h. So h will become 7 centimeter again. So you have got the height as well as, actually this question height is given to you. This question height is given to you, r you have to find out. If you solve it, you will find r is equal to 7 centimeter. Therefore you put into the formula of carved surface area of a cylinder, that is 2 pi r h. So 2 into 22 by 7 into this is also 7, this is also 7 into 7, and so you will find out that 2 into 7 into 7 pi r h. So r also 7 and h also 7. So 308 centimeter square will be the answer of it. And total surface area, what is the formula? Total surface area formula is 2 pi r within bracket r plus h. That is 2 pi square plus 2 pi r h. So if you do it, then r plus h will be 7 plus 7 and 2 into 22 by 7 and 7. If you simplify it, you will find 616 centimeter square is the answer for finding out the total surface area. Moving on to question number 21, the radius and the height of a cylinder are in the ratio 7:3, and its volume of the cylinder is 12,474. You need to find out the carved surface area and the total surface area. It's nice. These all questions are good only. You should be able to solve all these things. Radius and height is given to you. Let the radius be 7x and then the height will be 3x. Therefore volume of the cylinder formula is what? Pi r square h. Pi r square h is equal to this. Put the value 7x and 3x in this formula pi r square h and find out the x value. X value will become, if you go for x value will be this divided by, x cube will become this divided by 22 into 7 into 3. If you go for simplification, you will find 27. 27 will come, x cube will become 27. X cube is 27 means x will be cube root 27 centimeter cube, which is equal to 3 centimeter. So 3 centimeter is the x value. So what will be the radius? Radius will be 3 into 7, that is 21 centimeter square. And then height will be how much? 3 into 3 centimeter, that is 9 centimeter. So height you know, now radius you know. So curved surface area, put in the formula, that is pi r h. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 21 and h is 9, which is equal to 1180. The answer in your book may be wrong. This one, it came like this. You also calculate out if you talk to me. Then total surface area, 2 into 22 by 7 into 21 plus h, that is equal to 30. So this came 3960. So total surface area is 3960 centimeter square and curved surface area is 1188 centimeter square for 21. Okay, try and do remaining sums. Doubt if any, talk to me.